are in Peak District. I love coming back in here. I have my bike and I have so much fun. So let's enjoy the day. We're going to the Mamtor now. So Mamtor is just there. And we're going through this way. So we're gonna go up the hill all the way to the Mamtor. And then we're gonna go there to the Wienertspass.
And few more places. I arrived at the Mamtor and I decided to have some snacks and rest for a bit before I went to the next destination. Wienertspass is one of my favorite places in the Peak District. I've been here on a number of occasions and I don't think I will ever get bored with this place. Castleton is a beautiful village situated at the head of the Hope Valley, in the heart of the Peak District National Park. The village is popular for its show caves, history and plenty of shows. Derwent Reservoir is on the river Derwent and is 3.5 miles long. It's a popular spot for locals and tourists and attracts many nature lovers. I arrived at the Lady Bower Reservoir and had a short break for a sandwich while enjoying beautiful landscapes. Bamford Edge is a great spot for rock climbing and also great for a walk with one of the best views in the Peak District. You can't go wrong with that. Stanage Edge is also a popular place for walk and for rock climbing, with stunning views of the Hope Valley. This was one of the most demanding places where I had to carry my bike most of the time. On the way down I had accident and with full speed I went over handlebar. I ended up with few scratches, leading leg and both hands. Monsall Head, directly above Monsall Dale, is one of the most famous and photographed viewpoints in the Peak District. I ended the trip to the Peak District by going to the Headstone Tunnel that is located at the Monsall Head. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you next time.